Hi, I'm Matthew Shen. I'm a co-founder of BioBev. I want you all to take a minute and think about your daily coffee consumption. How many cups of coffee do you drink every day? How often do you buy a cup of coffee from your favorite coffee shop? With a large percentage of our population drinking at least 1 cup of coffee per day, most people tend to go through quite a lot of cups per week. However, unbeknownst to most people, this high usage of cups has caused a large amount of waste to accumulate and is severely harming our environment. You might be wondering, aren't all those paper cups supposed to be naturally compostable and biodegradable? Well, they're not. Many of those cups have a bioplastic lining that can only biodegrade in a special facility. And the chances are, when you throw one of these cups into a recycling bin, there's no guarantee that it'll make it to these special facilities. And as a result, over 146 trillion cups end up in landfills every year where they can't break down and continually harm our environment. So, what can we do about that? This is where BioBev comes in. Our mission is to reduce cup waste by integrating sustainability into the coffee consumption process. So, what makes a cup from BioBev so special? Our cup lacks that bioplastic lining that can't biodegrade and is made out of bagasse, a fibrous residue from crushed sugarcane. Bagasse looks and feels just like paper and is naturally sourced. So if a BioBev cup does end up in a landfill, it'll break down in just under 2 months. That's 585 times faster than other cups on the market. Not only is bagasse a naturally sourced material, it is actually a byproduct of the sugarcane industry and is therefore produced in excess. The USDA states there are actually mountains of unused bagasse that have accumulated due to a lack of use and purpose. Not only are we using this material that helps our environment, it is also readily available. This readily available material allows us to keep our material costs down, which in turn allows us to keep our unit price per cup at or even below market standards. So if your favorite coffee shop does switch to using BioBev cups, you don't have to worry about paying more for your daily cup of coffee or stressing about the impact your cup has on the environment. Currently, our cup is being tested by 3 coffee shop owners in the Twin Cities area, and we have many more shops ready and willing to become testing locations. However, we would love to have more consumer support as we continue to expand BioBev into more coffee shops around the Twin Cities and eventually around Minnesota. We are extremely grateful to be part of a community that supports our entrepreneurial journey, and we will continue to use the support to reduce the amount and prevent more and more non-biodegradable cups from making their way to landfills. If you would like to support us or learn more about our mission, please visit our website at www.biobevcups.com or visit on Instagram @biobevcups. Join us in saving our Earth, 1 cup at a time. Thank you.